I hope you're all having a spectacular day. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Farah and I'm on a journey of finding toxic-free alternatives for everyday products. Did you ever think about how many times a person washes their face in a lifetime? Well, I do. I think about stuff like that. And I figured if the average person washes their face twice a day, then it would be approximately 11,700 times. And through our lifetime, we're exposed to tons of commercial options with claims and promises for all skin types. But what's in these great smelling foaming cleansers? In this episode, we'll be taking a look at some of the most common toxic ingredients found in cleansers that you probably want to avoid and some natural alternatives. You'd be surprised to see all the dirty ingredients in everyday cleansers, chemicals that are known carcinogens that might be causing more harm than good. Starting off with alcohol and parabens, which seem to be found in almost everything, including face wash. They're used to increase the shelf life of a product and work as preservatives. And if you've used hand sanitizer, you know the feeling of your hands getting dry as the alcohol evaporates. Now, when I was working at a beauty counter as a makeup artist, I would use pumps and pumps of hand sanitizer every day, and I know the toll alcohol took on my hands and nails. Exactly the same thing happens when you apply this to your skin while you're using a face wash that contains alcohol. Parabens are a health concern because they're absorbed by our skin and act as estrogen in the body, causing hormonal imbalances. Studies have also linked them to spur growth of breast cancer cells, which is a growing concern as more toxic products are sold. Then there's sodium lauryl sulfate, SLS or SLES, which is a surfactant found in about 90% of personal care products like shampoos, body wash, facial cleansers, and it's the main foaming agent that gets soaps to lather. But the problem is it strips away your skin's natural oil and leaves that squeaky tight feeling. SLS is known to cause carcinogenic dioxin nitrates to enter the bloodstream. It's even used in degreasing products, so no wonder it's a skin, eye, and lung irritant. Well, what about propylene glycol? Now this could be listed under some different names. It's another synthetic chemical used in face wash. Its purpose is usually to lock moisture into a product. And while considered generally safe by the FDA when used in small amounts, these chemicals are absorbed into our skin daily and accumulate in the bloodstream, leading to liver and kidney damage. What's absolutely mind-boggling is that propylene glycol is used in automobiles as a key ingredient in antifreeze. Yep, antifreeze, that bottle carrying toxic warning labels, yet that same chemical is used in face wash with no warnings. Moving on to phthalates, such as DBP and DEP, that I won't even try to pronounce. These are used as solvents, which means dissolving agents, and they're used to speed up the absorption of face wash into the skin, particularly in medicated face wash. Phthalates are also commonly used in PVC plastic. Alarmingly, both the Department of Health and Human Services and the Environmental Protection Agency have expressed concerns that phthalates are potential human endocrine disruptors, interfering with hormone functions and causing reproductive and developmental problems. As if that wasn't enough, what I found absolutely revolting was the use of tallow in so many cleansers. And I apologize for this next image, but this is what tallow is. It's animal fat, and whether you're living plant-based or not, I doubt you want to be rubbing animal fat on your skin as a form of cleansing. So save your skin, save the animals, and ditch products containing dead animal parts. Instead, you could use natural olive oil soap bars. I particularly love going for zero waste bars at the local farmer's market or Whole Foods. If you prefer liquid cleansers, then you'll absolutely love the Dr. Bronner's 18-in-1 Pure Cast Style Cleanser made with all natural organic oils. This can be used on its own, diluted, combined with other skin-enhancing ingredients, or you know what? Let me just show you. Time for a DIY. Of course, depending on your skin type, you can adjust this formula using different oils, and that's what makes DIY so fun, is that they're so customizable and the natural resources are infinite. In this concoction, I'll be using a 1/4 cup of the unscented Castile soap, which is an all-concentrated natural soap made of plant oils like olive oil, coconut oil, hemp, and jojoba. To dilute the mixture, I'll be adding in a 1/4 cup of distilled water. Now, distilled water is water that's been boiled into a vapor and then concentrated back into a liquid, so it's pure of mineral deposits. And then go ahead and add in a 1/3 cup of organic maple syrup. According to the Medical Journal of Pharmaceutical Biology, pure maple syrup contains up to 24 different antioxidants, which help fight free radicals that cause wrinkles. It's also an anti-inflammatory, making it great for sensitive skin. It helps reduce redness, blemishes, and is great for dry skin as well. Add in a few drops of whatever essential oil your skin desires. I'll be adding 5 drops of frankincense oil, which is a great oil for all skin types. Being a cytoflaxis makes it a potent anti-aging ingredient and promotes regeneration of healthy skin cells. Combine that with its powerful astringent capabilities, it can help eliminate sunspots, micro wrinkles, and generally tone and tighten the skin, as well as help fade scars while simultaneously replacing old or dying cells with new and healthy ones. And then you're just gonna pour that all into an empty container you have. I'll also leave the link for this reusable bottle as well as all the ingredients in the description box. This mixture is going to be great for a couple of weeks. If you need it to last longer than that, you can always store it in the fridge, and then just make sure to give it a quick shake before you use it. There are a ton of other face wash recipes in different forms that I look forward to sharing with you. So if that's something that you're interested in, leave a comment below and I'll get right on it. One last thing I'd like to leave you with today is always take care of yourself, honor yourself, and pride self-love. You are worth taking the time for. If you found this video beneficial and would like to see more content like this, I'd love for you to join me by clicking that subscribe button and turning on the notification bells so you can stay updated. Take care, and I'll talk to you next time.